Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this Sunday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Is the Spirit 147 A320 departing on 6 right, heading off to Orlando. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. There's supposed to be a United Airlines 777-200 departing here. New York Giants livery. Delta Connection 4062, Mitsubishi CRJ 900, heading off to Detroit. United Airlines 1673 heading off to Chicago O'Hare. Delta Connection 5803 Embraer E175 heading off for LaGuardia. We might get the 777 before the rain comes. American Airlines 2336 is a 737-800 heading off for Dallas Fort Worth. You can see that United 777 going to taxi off the runway. JetBlue Airways 6540 heading to Boston. There's our charter, United Airlines 3817, a 777-200, going back to EWR New York after they played across the Browns. Alright, that'll do for today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, hit a like and subscribe to the channel and turn post notifications on. There's supposed to be a storm. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great night.